Segesse College of Traditional Carpentry was created to give second chance to Nigerian youth. What started as some sort of rehabilitation center ended up being the first choice of many young Nigerians. And today we see people come from all over Africa to come study the true arts of carpentry with us. It's a honor and privilege that we've had students from South Africa, we've had students from Cameroon, we've had students from Congo, we've had students from virtually all the states of Nigeria. Today is no different. We have a lot of young men that have undergone our training, and many of them from here on are about to go start a life of creativity, business development, and community building.
The initiative of this college to equip young people and young men and women with traditional carpentry and entrepreneurial skills is truly commendable and align with the government's vision of fostering self-reliance, job creation, and sustainable economic growth. Carpentry, though traditionally in nature, remains highly relevant in our modern economy. It is a craft that combines innovation, creativity, and precision to meet human needs. By integrating entrepreneurship knowledge with technical experts, this institution is ensuring that the graduates are not only skilled artisans but also a future employer of labor and contributors to the national prosperity.
Brigadier General Buba Marwa retired, has observed that the issue of drug is something that is so critical in our country, over the whole world, our nation. It is happening in our communities, it is happening in our workplaces, it is happening in our religious places, it is happening in our business places, and that is why at this moment we are so grateful to the celebrity carpenter, Mr. Moses himself, for deeming it fit to invite the NDLA to come in a ceremony like this. We thank him so much for deeming it fit for us to come and say to our graduates, it is beautiful that you are graduating today. And I think, or I know that none of you were doing on colos.
See, they don't have the opportunity. It's not they don't have the opportunity, they cannot even defend their skills. You know, like so we teach them how to do business also in this place, so that when you get the opportunity, the money start coming in, you don't just waste the money. Yes, sir.
And including the financial inclusion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we take them when they come first of all.
Sir, I want to appreciate you for your words of encouragement, your support, being it physically, financially, mentally, and even spiritually. Thank you very much, sir. Because without you, there is no Segesse, and without Segesse, there is no hope for many of us here. We appreciate you, sir. We really appreciate you.